Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix when you can't upload a screenshot or a video clip on your Xbox Series X. So the first thing we want to do is go to the home screen and then go to Settings, and then go to General and go to Online Safety and Family. Then go to Privacy and Online Safety. Then go to Xbox Privacy. Then select Custom with A, and then go to View Details and Customize right here. Then scroll on down to Game Content. And then go to You Can't Upload Captures to Xbox. And it says upload game clips and screenshots to Xbox. Make sure this is set to allow, otherwise you won't be able to upload them. Then let's go to the Xbox Guide button and go to My Games and Apps. Then go to See All. Scroll on down to Apps and go to Captures. Then under here, you want to go ahead and select the capture you want to upload. And I believe you can select multiple captures at the same time. But I'm just going to press the button with the 3 lines on it. And then go on down to where it says upload to OneDrive. And then you should be able to upload it under here. Now mine says it can't upload because I have a setting on. So you want to change that setting. So just under here, we want to scroll on over to where the little settings option is right here and select this. And then scroll on down to automatic uploads. And it says to OneDrive. Mine is selected don't upload. But you want to go to Captures by Me or Games and select this. And then it should be able to upload from there on out. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.